Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Westfield Insurance, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin installation of Westfield Insurance, ensure that you have your login credentials ready. Visit the official Westfield Insurance website. Locate the customer login section on the home page. Click on the register or sign up button if you do not have an account yet. Fill out the required information on the registration form. Check your email for a confirmation link and click on it to verify your account. Once verified, return to the home page and log in using your credentials. Navigate to the Policies or Insurance Products section. Choose the type of insurance coverage you need. Read through the descriptions and coverage options carefully. Select the insurance policy that best fits your needs. Review the pricing and terms associated with the selected policy. Click on the Apply Now or Get Quote button to proceed. Fill out the necessary information in the application form. Make sure to provide accurate details to avoid complications later. Double-check your information for any errors before submitting. Submit your application once you are satisfied with the details entered. You may need to wait for a confirmation email regarding your application status. Once you receive confirmation, log back into your account. Navigate to your account dashboard to view your new policy. Familiarize yourself with the resources and support options available. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to customer service. You are now set up with Westfield Insurance and ready to manage your policy online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.